Hello everyone. In this video session, I am going to provide answer for one of the Java interview questions. That is, what are the different types of exceptions? So the question is, what are the different types of exceptions in Java? There are mainly two types of exception categories in Java. What are they? One is unchecked exceptions. Okay, first type of exceptions is unchecked exceptions. And other type or category of exceptions is checked exceptions. So what are unchecked exceptions and what are checked exceptions? Let me explain. Coming to the first category of exceptions, that is unchecked exceptions. Unchecked exceptions are the exceptions which are not, which are not identified by the compiler. So when you compile the Java code, these exceptions will not be identified by the compiler. Okay. Then when can we find such kind of exceptions? Only when we execute the code. Only when we execute the code, we'll come to know that there is an exception in the code. But compiler will not be able to identify such kind of unchecked exceptions. Let me practically show you an example for unchecked exceptions. Here guys, this is a sample Java project. Here we have sample code. Inside the main method, let me write some Java statements like int a is equal to 10 divided by 0. I'm trying to divide a number 10 by 0, which should not be possible guys. Okay. In mathematics, if you divide a number 10 by 0, it will result in infinite thing. But in Java, it will result in an exception. But guys, in Eclipse IDE, when you write this program, compiling will be automatically done by Eclipse IDE. Okay. Once you write the program, compiling will be done by Eclipse IDE automatically. And the compiler is not able to identify that there is an exception with this particular statement. Okay. So when you write this statement, compiler is not able to identify any particular exception with this particular statement. Everything looks good here, right? But when I run this demo.java, right click run as Java application, I am going to get an exception. So when I am getting this exception, some exception is coming, that is arithmetic exception, because we are trying to divide the number by 0. Okay, at this line number 5, that is this particular line is giving the exception known as arithmetic exception. But we are able to identify the exception only while executing the program. Only on executing the program during the runtime, we are getting this exception. But compile time, compiler is not able to identify this exception. This kind of exceptions are known as unchecked exceptions. Okay, this kind of exceptions are known as unchecked exceptions. But coming to the checked exceptions are identified. Okay, will be identified by the compiler guys. Compiler will identify such kind of exceptions in advance. Before you execute the program itself, compiler will be able to identify the type of exceptions, that is checked exceptions. So let me give you one example. Okay, let me practically show you one example for checked exceptions where compiler will be able to identify the exception in advance. Before executing the program itself, the compiler will be able to inform you that there is going to be an exception. So let me write some code. File is equal to new file. Okay, I'm just giving some dummy thing. C:// I will give some, what is that, some Arun, okay, in that abc.xyz file, abc.txt file, okay, some file I give, and import this file from java.io package. Okay, so after this, after importing this file, now I'll create an object for the file reader class. File reader fr is equal to new file reader. Just some sample code guys, just assume that is a sample code in Java, okay, which will give us some kind of exception known as checked exception. You will see that is soon. With file reader, you will be seeing that checked exception soon guys. So import this file reader from java.io package, and this is a constructor. Here we have to provide the file. So just provide this file here. So even after providing this file also, we are getting some compiler error. When you hover the mouse, it will say unhandled exception type, file not found exception. There is a possibility of file not found exception. Who is saying this? Compiler is saying. So that means compiler is able to identify that there is going to be a kind of exception known as file not found exception. What if this particular provided file is not available? Okay, then it's asking us to handle the exception in advance. So I am not getting this particular exception. This exception is not coming during the runtime, during the execution of the program. But before itself, the compiler is giving me or saying me that there is an unhandled exception type, that is file not found exception, and it's asking me to put try catch blocks. Okay, when I put this, the exception will be handled. Okay, so there is a possibility of exception, try to handle it. Simply the compiler is saying that. So such kind of exceptions are known as checked exceptions. Okay, the compiler identified exceptions during the compile time are known as checked exceptions, whereas unchecked exceptions are the exceptions which will not be identified by the compiler. You can only understand that there is a exception only when you execute the program. When you execute the code only, you will see this kind of exceptions known as unchecked exceptions. But coming to checked exceptions, they will be identified by the compiler during the compile time. So hope guys you got the answer for what are the different types of exceptions in Java. So that's it guys. See you in the next video session. Thank you. Bye.